Hello students, welcome to Sufa e-class. In the previous lecture, we have studied the graphical method of solving the simultaneous equations. So student, in the previous lecture, we have discussed in detail what is the procedure to solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method. We have to find the four ordered pairs, and after finding the four ordered pairs, we have to plot the points on a graph paper by drawing x-axis and y-axis, and after that we have to see that all the points are collinear or not, and after that we have to draw a straight line passing through that points, and same we have to do with the other equation, and we will see that the straight line which have been drawn for both the linear equations intersect each other at a single point, and that single point, the coordinate of that single point, the x coordinate and y coordinate of that single point is nothing but the solution of that equation. So student, here we will try to solve question number 6 from practice set 1.2. I hope I have told you to solve all the questions of practice set 1.2. You have to try the questions, so I hope you done that. So here now we will start question number 6 from that practice set, and let's see how to solve it. So student, we have the equation 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So it is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now here we have to assume the value of x in order to find the value of y. So here the first value of x is negative 1. So x is equal to negative 1. If x is equal to negative 1, then what will be the value of y? Let's see. So here 2x, so 2 in the bracket negative 1 minus 3y equal to 4. So 2 into negative 1, negative 2, negative 2, negative 3y equal to 4. So negative 3y equal to 4, and this negative 2 will go to that side, will be positive 2. So negative 3y equal to 6. Y equal to 6 upon negative 3. So y equal to negative 2. So if x is equal to negative 1, then y will be equal to negative 2. So the first ordered pair is negative 1 comma negative 2. Now student, we will try to put x equal to 2. Now x equal to 2. So here 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So 2 in the bracket 2. Here x is equal to 2. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2 minus 3y equal to 4. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3y equal to 4. So minus 3y equal to 4 minus 4, minus 3y equal to 0, so y equal to 0. So here if the value of x is 2, then the value of y will be equal to 0. So next ordered pair is 2 comma 0. So now we will put 5 here, so x equal to 5. Now we know that the equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So 2 in the bracket 5 minus 3y equal to 4. So we know that 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 3y equal to 4. So minus 3y equal to 4 minus 10, minus 3y equal to minus 6, y equal to minus 6 upon minus 3, y equal to 2. So by putting x equal to 5, y will be equal to 2. So this is the next ordered pair. Now in this way we can find the last ordered pair. We have to put 8 instead of x. So it will be 2. So x equal to 8. So 2 in the bracket 8 minus 3y equal to 4. Minus 3y equal to 4. So 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 3y equal to 4. So minus 3y equal to 4. Minus 16 minus 3y equal to 4 minus 16, it will be minus 12. So y equal to minus 12 upon minus 3. Y will be equal to 4. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Negative negative will be positive. So student, this is the next ordered pair. So this we have done for the first equation. The first equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now same we will apply for the next equation, that is 3y minus x equal to 4. So here note these solutions of the first equation. Now after that we will move towards the solutions of the next equation, and we will make the next ordered pairs. So now students, we will try to find the ordered pairs for the next equation, and the next equation is 3y minus x equal to 4. 3y minus x equal to 4. So student, first we have to put x equal to negative 4. X equal to negative 4. So now by putting x equal to negative 4, we have to find the value of y. So 3y minus, so here it is minus and the coordinate is negative 4. So equal to 4. So 3y, this negative negative will be positive. So it will be 3y plus 4 equal to 4. So 3y equal to 4 minus 4, this positive 4 will go to that side, will be negative 4. So 3y equal to 4 minus 4, it will be 0. So y will be equal to 0. So if we will put x equal to negative 4, then y will be equal to 0. So the first ordered pair is negative 4 comma 0. Now we will put x equal to negative 1. So here it is 3y minus x equal to 4. So we have to put x equal to negative 1 instead of this x. So 3y minus 1 equal to 4. Here this negative sign is given in that equation, and this is the coordinate is negative 1. That is why this negative will become positive. 3y negative will be positive 1 equal to 4. So 3y equal to 4, and this positive 1 will go to that side, will be negative 1. 3y equal to 4 minus 1, 3. Y equal to 3 by 3. Y equal to 3 by 3. So y will be equal to 1 here. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So if x equal to negative 1, then y will be equal to 1. Now after that we have to put 2. So x equal to 2. We have to put this. So in this equation 3y minus x equal to 4. So 3y minus x equal to 4. So 3y minus 2 equal to 4. So 3y equal to 4. This negative 2 will be positive 2 in RHS. So 3y equal to 6. Y equal to 6 by 3. Y equal to 2. So you have seen that if we will put x equal to 2, then y will also be 2. So here I will do the last ordered pair. I will solve it for the last ordered pair. So 3y minus x equal to 4. So x equal to 5 now. So instead of putting x, now we will put the value of y. So y equal to 3. See the value of x will be 5 or not. So y equal to 3. So 3 in the bracket 3 minus x equal to 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus x equal to 4. So it will be minus x equal to 4. This 9 will go to this side, will be negative 9. So negative x equal to 4 minus 9, negative 5. So negative will be positive, x equal to 5. So here if by putting the value of y also you can find the value of x. So student, in this way you can put the value of x in order to find the value of y, and you can also put the value of y in order to find the value of x. There is not the compulsion that you will put the value of x only or you will put the value of y only. You can put the value of x or y. We are just assuming the value of x in order to find the value of y. You can assume any value. So let's just you have to keep in mind that the point should be plotted properly. So you have to consider the values which are suitable for plotting the points and to draw the straight line, particularly for a particular equation. So here I have solved it for the 4 ordered pairs, the second equation. So these are the solutions for the ordered pair of second equation. Now we are plotting the point on a graph paper. So you know the process. First draw x-axis and y-axis intersect each other at the origin having coordinate 0, 0. Now you have to plot the point. So I have plotted, first I will plot the point of this first equation. So first ordered pair is negative 1, negative 2. So here it is negative 1, negative 2. I have plotted here. This is the point. Now after that 2, 0. Here x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0. That is why this point will be on the x-axis. This is the next point. Now after that 5, 2. So this is the point 5, 2. The x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 2. Keep in mind that the first coordinate is always x and the second coordinate is y. So here now the last ordered pair is 8, 4. So here it is 8 on x-axis and 4 on y-axis. So here it is 8, 4. Now after that we have to draw the straight line passing through all the points. So you can see that I have drawn the straight line passing through these points, means we have to keep this point collinear. If these points are collinear, then we can draw the straight line by that. So student, now we will move towards the next table of that ordered pair. So here it is first ordered pair is negative 4, 0. So it is negative 4, 0. You can see the x coordinate is negative 4. That is why this is on x-axis and y will be equal to 0. That is why that point will lie on x-axis but negative direction of x-axis. So here now next ordered pair is negative 1, 1. So here it is negative 1, 1. This is the point. Negative 1, x coordinate is negative 1, y coordinate is 1. Now after that 2, 2. So here this is the point. X is also 2 and y is also 2. You can see. So next one is 5, 3. So here it is 5. 5 is on x-axis, x coordinate is 5, and 3 is on y-axis because y coordinate is 3. Now student, you can see that both the lines are intersecting. We can also draw the straight line passing through these ordered pairs of the second equation. Now after that you can see that these straight line are passing through the point and that point are having the coordinate 8 comma 4. Means if we will see this point, on this point both the lines are intersecting each other, and at this point if we will see the x coordinate of this point, then it is 8, and if we will see the y coordinate of this point, it will be 4. So here we know that the straight line intersect each other at a particular point, and the coordinate of that point are nothing but the solution of that given simultaneous equation or linear equation. So the solutions are the solution x comma y, which is equal to 8 comma 4. So here x equal to 8 and y equal to 4. You can see, students, the value of x is 8 and the value of y is 4. Now we will do the verification here. So consider one of the equation for verification. We can consider the first equation. So first equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So 2 instead of x we will write 8, minus 3 instead of y we will write 4, equal to 4. So 2 8s are 16, minus 3 4s are 12, equal to 4. 16 minus 12, 4. 4 equal to 4. So here LHS equal to RHS, means the value of x and y, satisfies the first equation. So it will also satisfy the second equation, and the value, the x coordinate and y coordinate, the value of x and y, which satisfies the given equation, then that are the solution of that equation. So this value satisfies the equation, that is why these are the solution of that equation. You can also solve these two equations by another method of elimination by equating coefficient, or method of elimination by substitution. Now after that you will see that the solutions are 8 comma 4. So if you will solve this equation with any method, then the solutions will be 8 comma 4. So student, in this way we have completed the question of the practice set. You have to try the remaining questions by yourself. If you will face any difficulty, then you have to tell us, you have to send us a message, then we will try to solve your difficulty on the board. Now this is today's lecture. Thank you very much. We will move towards the next topic in the next lecture. Thank you.